over the last episodes of our watchmaking tourism saga, we showed you where the watches were made, the main region of that. But today we're going to show you where the watches are bought. So here we are in the middle of Switzerland, in the typical postcard type of territory at the Jungfrau. This region has been a tourism heaven for quite some time, actually, from the late 19th century. But at that time it was more reserved for the affluent society of Europe. Today it's become much more of a mass tourism, and you have hundreds of autobuses flooding in this part of Switzerland with many tourists from all over the world. The main little city in this region is called Interlaken, which means between two lakes. And with a population of only 6,000 people, it has become the fourth largest city in terms of watchmaking turnover in Europe, behind Paris, London and Milan. So that's quite impressive. And that's the reason why many watch brands are using this kind of platform to communicate and organize events. So you wouldn't be surprised to see some quite crazy things around here. And today is just a perfect example of this, since TAG Heuer is organizing quite some spectacular concert with Chinese superstar singer G.E.M, who is going to perform here at 3,500 meters.
We always try to be different. We try to be unique. We try also to be the first, different, unique.
我其实早上来到的时候是非常兴奋。我在试音的时候，我看着后面这个景观，是一望无际的一个天空，然后连绵的山脉，然后你感觉到很。
It's the first Chinese singer performing here. And we are very proud to have you here up at the top of Europe on the Glacier in the middle of the UNESCO World Heritage.
The local tourist administration have called this place top of Europe, which can sound a little bit pompous, but it is in a certain way, because this is the highest train ride you can take in Europe, and the train itself was built more than 100 years ago. In contrast to the so-called victory of monobrands shops that we described in the Geneva episode of this saga, behind me is clearly an exception. This is the Kirchhofer shop, and it holds 120 different brands. This shop is almost a 24/7, opens at 8:30 in the morning till 10 o'clock in the evening. And I promise you, in Switzerland, to find a shop where you can buy a salad after 7 o'clock is already quite difficult. So this is really peculiar. In this boutique you will find low-level entry price type of timepieces, but you will also find highly complicated watches such as tourbillon minute repeaters. And one thing I have to say as a consumer is that it's quite enjoyable to go inside a boutique like this and be able to compare all those different watches from all those different brands. So this is it for our Swiss watchmaking tourism saga. I hope you've enjoyed this show, and please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any question about what you saw. All the best, and thank you very much.